It
What
is
makes
serious. It is serious. What should I do about it?
I'd recommend talking to a trusted friend or professional to get advice on handling the situation. It's
Yeah,
important to address these feelings.
but I'm way out in the middle of the country.
Got it. Being in a remote area can add to the challenge. Maybe start by ensuring your home is secure and consider getting a security system. It might also help to document any suspicious activity.
Should I get a gun?
If you feel threatened, getting a guardian dog could provide companionship and an added layer of security. It's a personal decision, so consider your comfort and needs.
What are the best investments to make good money quickly?
High return investments often come with higher risk. Stocks, real estate, and starting a business can yield quick gains, but require careful planning and research. Always diversify to manage risk.
How is Copilot at the knowledge of stocks?
I'm well versed in the basics of investing. I can share general concepts and strategies related to stocks. What's on your mind?
I want to invest $200 and make $1 million. Is that possible?
Turning $200 into $1 million is an ambitious goal. It usually requires a lot of time, luck, and a high-risk investment strategy. It's crucial to be realistic and cautious.
So, are you saying I'm being not realistic?
Just pointing out that it's a challenging goal. It's great to aim high, but it's also important to have a solid plan and be prepared for risks. Let's explore realistic steps you could take.
Okay, I'm game.
Awesome. Maybe we can start by looking at different investment options within your budget. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
All right, let's dive into micro investing. With $200, you could explore low-cost index funds or ETFs. They offer diversification and are a solid starting point for beginners. What do you think?
Sounds interesting.
Great. If you want, I can explain more about how those work.
Okay.
Index funds and ETFs are essentially baskets of stocks or bonds. They track specific market indexes, like the S&P 500. You buy shares, and your investment grows with the index. It's a low-cost, long-term strategy. Interested in taking a closer look?
What about short term? You got anything that makes money faster?
Short-term gains often come with higher risk. Day trading or investing in volatile assets like cryptocurrencies can yield quick returns, but they're unpredictable.
So, excuse me, what are the risks?
Short-term trading risks include market volatility, unexpected losses, and emotional decision-making. It requires quick actions and a deep understanding of market trends.
So it's kind of like gambling.
In a way, yes. Both involve risk and uncertainty. The key difference is that investing can be guided by research and strategy, aiming for calculated risks for gains over time.
What would be the best gamble today?
A high-stakes gamble could be individual stocks, especially in volatile sectors like tech or biotech. Companies with innovative products or services might yield quick returns, but come with high risks. Always do thorough research first.
Okay. What if I didn't play with a lot of money and I just invested like $500?
With $500, you could still explore individual stocks, but focusing on stable, dividend-paying companies might be wise. It's a more conservative approach, offering steady returns and potential growth over time.
Can you tell me a little bit about Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a type of digital currency or cryptocurrency that's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a blockchain. It's known for its price volatility and has been considered both a high-risk investment and an opportunity for substantial returns.
Oh, that sounds like my department.
It can be. Bitcoin's value swings wildly, making it a roller coaster for investors. If you're game for high-risk, high-reward scenarios, it's worth exploring.
So, Miss Copilot,
Yes, Steve?
Oil probably wouldn't be a good thing because the new administration is going to be drill, baby drill, bringing oil prices down. So investing in oil wouldn't be a good thing, would it?
That's an interesting perspective. If you believe oil prices will drop, investing in oil might not be the best move. Instead, you could explore sectors that benefit from lower oil prices, like transportation or manufacturing.
How about drilling equipment?
Drilling equipment could be a solid choice. Companies producing drilling technologies or equipment might see growth if drilling activity increases.
What would be some of those companies?
Companies like Halliburton, Schlumberger, and Baker Hughes are big names in oilfield services and equipment. They provide drilling tech and services to oil and gas companies. Thinking of exploring those?
So can you buy in stock on like Halliburton and them others?
Yes, you can buy stocks in companies like Halliburton, Schlumberger, and Baker Hughes through a brokerage account. It's like buying a piece of the company, hoping its value will increase over time. Need help getting started?
Yes, please. Tell me about Schlumberger.
Schlumberger, a giant in the oilfield services sector,
Excuse me.
offered...
How do you spell Schlumberger?
It's spelled Schlumberger.
Okay, continue.
Schlumberger is a global leader in oilfield services. They provide technology, project management, and information solutions to the oil and gas industry. It's a major player in drilling equipment and services.
Wow. So that'd probably be a good way to go if drilling is going to pick back up.
If you think drilling will increase, investing in a company like Schlumberger could be a solid choice.
Yeah, I say so. So how do I get started?
First, you'll need to open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Then, fund your account with the amount you plan to invest. After that, you can search for Schlumberger's stock symbol, SLB, and decide how many shares to buy.
So, excuse me, Miss Copilot. How do I open a brokerage account?
To open a brokerage account, choose a reputable platform. Provide your personal info, like your social security number, and fund the account with an initial deposit. It's quite straightforward once you pick your broker.
Do you have any suggestions?
Sure, platforms like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and E-Trade are popular choices. They offer user-friendly platforms and a range of investment options. Each has its own perks, so it's worth comparing them to see which fits your needs best.
Well, I have little money. Which one would fit me best?
For those starting with modest funds, Charles Schwab offers no minimum balance and low-cost options. It's beginner-friendly, with a range of resources to help you learn as you go. Give it a look.
Hey, you know what, Miss Copilot?
What's in, Stephen?
You've given me some good information to chew on today, and you've been very helpful. I want you to have a great day and enjoy the inauguration.
I'm really glad I could help, Stephen.
You take care and enjoy the day too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was very helpful, taking advantage of AI to teach me about investing. And I want to this year, when I get in the truck and start making money, I want to start investing. And I have an internal feeling that I should be investing. And with Drill Baby Drill coming back on, oil is going to drop. But everything that causes to go into drilling, like I was talking about with Miss Copilot there, is that anything that has to do with it, like Halliburton, people who are supplying all the equipment and stuff, those companies are likely to go crazy mad growing right now. So that would be a good place to invest. And so anything else that you can foresee that will grow like mad during the Trump administration. So just like when the criminals were in the White House, the way you wanted to invest there was going green. And you can invest in oil too, because they made it shoot up real high. But now oil is going to come down, but everything that has to deal with drilling and everything is going to go up because it need all that tooling and machinery. And I want to be investing money this year as I'm making money. And since I'm going to be working with the big outfits, and if Ace Duran doesn't want me after being gone working on this truck for so long, I have a perfectly good truck with a perfectly good driving record, perfectly good criminal record. I have my IFTA card, not my IFTA card, but what's that card called?
It is your IFTA.
No, it ain't. It's the same thing as milk. What's it called?
Oh, my goodness.
If I get a brain freeze, it rubs off and gets her brain freeze. You can't get her to you think that you can get somebody to help you, and you don't. And so anyway, my card, my TWIC card.
Twig!
So anyway,
Twig
I have
card.
my TWIC card. And so if Ace Duran, when I'm done with this truck, and the weather is really bad right now, I can't work in this type of temperature, but Wednesday I can get back to it. So I'm hoping to have the truck done by this time next week. And if Ace Duran is not in the cards, I plan on going after big money. And I mean, if I have to haul hazmat, if I have to haul whatever, I will haul it. And while I'm making good money, I want to be investing money too. So I want my money to work for me. I don't want it just to be sitting waiting to be paid on bills. I want it to making me some bucks. And I'm going to work with AI technology, because AI technology is about the smartest technology that we have in the world right now. And so why not take advantage of it, right?